How to set light mode on Skype. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set light mode on Skype. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile, this one, click on it, and then click this one here, settings, and now click this one, appearance, and now all you need to do is just click this one, light, and now click apply there. And as you see, Skype now it's on light mode, and that's how to set light mode on Skype. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.